Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the past, 4.5 billion years back, to uncover the secrets of our moon's dramatic birth. For decades, scientists have held a fascinating theory, a giant impact. The idea is that a Mars-sized planet, which they named Theia, slammed into the young Earth. The colossal collision sent a massive cloud of debris into orbit, which eventually coalesced to form the moon we see today. It's a great story, but there's always been one major missing piece: Theia itself. The planet was completely destroyed in the impact, leaving no direct evidence behind. Its origin has been a huge cosmic mystery, but now incredible new research is shedding light on Theia's long-lost home. A team of scientists from France, Germany, and the United States have been playing cosmic detective. They analyzed ancient rocks from Earth and lunar samples brought back by the Apollo missions. Think of it like planetary reverse engineering. They looked at specific chemical fingerprints called isotopes, found in elements like iron, chromium, and molybdenum. Different parts of the solar system have unique isotopic signatures because they formed under different conditions. By comparing the isotopic makeup of Earth and the Moon, the team ran hundreds of simulations to figure out what kind of planet they must have been and where it came from. The results are pretty stunning. The data strongly suggests that they didn't form in the outer solar system, as some previously thought. Instead, it looks like they was an inner solar system native, forming even closer to the Sun than our own early Earth. As one astronomer not involved in the study put it, we're talking about a planet that hasn't existed for billions of years, and yet we can now pinpoint its origin with amazing precision. This breakthrough doesn't just solve a major piece of the Moon's origin puzzle, it also gives us a clearer picture of the chaotic planet-forming dance that took place in our solar system's early days. It's a powerful reminder of how much we can learn about our cosmic history just by studying the rocks beneath our feet and on our closest celestial neighbor. What do you think about this discovery? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more space science updates. See you next time.